What's up, everybody? Out here on this T680 today. And got a ton of codes coming up, and I'll show them to you. But got over here is smoking like a sift. Basically, it won't go into the regen, and I got to hearing a loud whistle in here, and got to looking, and yeah, it's a mess. First thing I've seen was that right there. Let's see, yeah, that's broke. Got mega smoke coming from down there to filter. I ain't got there that far yet. Keep you in the loop. So we got that old bad Jimmy off of there. She hot. Yeah, she definitely broke. So I'm gonna try to get that fitting out of there and get that fitting so I can get it back together. Then we'll work on this exhaust leak down here. See if we can't get this boy to regen. I don't know if you can see it, but you can kind of see how that one's leaning. Look how level that one is. And then how that one's leaning back. If you look, it don't even look like it's clamped really well, but I mean, it was snug. I mean, that one kind of looks about the same. Looks like it's came apart or something, honestly. See that? The dealer put this together. The dealership put that together like that. And then wonder why it won't regen. Well, it's because everything's coming out the side of it. It's the way it should look all the way around. Now I'm out here on the side of the parking lot trying to get this done. Thank you, dealership. Took it apart, clamp out the way, and look at that. I mean, what the world kind of mess is that? Come on now. Crazy. So we fixing another exhaust leak out here. Old pipe there had a bad leak in it, and then had a little leak right there. So we getting there. Did end up getting that fixed, and ended up getting the bottom down here done. The depth filter had a gasket leaking there, so you got that fixed. Tensioner, new belt. Ended up putting that on yesterday. I'm about to test this dosing valve, this diesel dosing valve. Got all the coolant draining, but we still got a little. I just can't get these temps up. So I'm about to do the test procedure on this dosing valve and see if I can't see if it's not working right. I know when I pulled it out it was clogged, slap ass up. But hopefully get this done. I seen diesel in the exhaust pipe when I replaced that. There's a little bit of diesel in there, so I don't know if it's stuck, so we're gonna do a leak test and a quantity test.